yeah, we're customizing a water bottle today. That's kind of it. So let's get into it.
Put the place up, yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, blue, I'm a chaser. Face up, now I feel a little major. Blink of an eye, ego, I'm a taker, shaker. Yeah, she was a ball shaker, she shake me out that door to no place. Damn, why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you stabbed me in the back. Something like the rules when we came out there, we settled facts like the Vinci. I'm breaking codes, so breaking backs. Come on, get your ass up if you slip it. Build another snap.
You know what we could do is we could change up the music. That'd be pretty hype. So, Christmas vibes. Okay, so the project is finished, and I made a couple changes to it. Basically, I added some dots to mimic like sprinkles, and I added just like a black outline. But other than that, it's finished. So let's check it out. Yeah, so hope you guys like this one. I think this is one of the cooler finished products I've made. It's really like nice and aesthetic. That's cool. I'm also working on a couple bigger projects right now, not necessarily smaller ones, so they might take a little bit more time, you know. First vid of 2020, more to come. Oh yeah, also if you guys were surprised, it's like, whoa, oh my gosh, so many cool animations. You should probably check out my New York vlog, because I actually featured those in there first, and that was a really cool video that I really enjoyed making. So if you want to do me a solid. But generally, yeah, thanks for watching, and if you guys do want to see more, make sure to subscribe and, you know, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.